Welcome back to the EVS class. In today's session, we are going to discuss the revision part. Okay. So first term exams are coming. So we have to do revision, isn't it? So in this session, we are going to discuss about exam portion as well as question paper pattern and some lessons we'll do today, right? Okay. So portion for the exam. So these lessons are included learning in a family, then food we eat, keeping healthy and fit, plants around us, animals around us, and creepy crawlies. Okay, these are the lessons which are there for your first term exam. Okay, got it? Right. So let us discuss about question paper pattern. So question paper ಒಳಗೆ first fill in the blanks. 5 marks idu true or false 5 marks, then match the following for 5 marks, then multiple choice question for 5 marks, then very short answer questions for 10 marks, short answer questions for 8 marks, long answer question for 12 marks. Okay, so fill in the blanks 5 irutte, true or false 5, match the following 5, multiple choice question 5, then very short answer questions 10. Okay, 1 marks idu 10 questions irtave, then short answer question 2 marks idu 4 questions. Okay, then long answer questions 3 marks idu question 4 questions. Okay, got it? Right. Let us start doing our revision. Okay, revision start madona. So first lesson, learning in a family. Okay, learning in a family. Next, let us discuss exercise part once again. So A, tick the correct answers. Okay, first question, our family is our first school. Yes, house, school, office. So here you have to write school. Okay, our family is our first school, isn't it? Second question, who helps Pinky in her homework? Mother, grandfather, grandmother. So Pinky's grandmother helps her in her homework, isn't it? Next, third one, we learn many things at home. Okay, here options are 1, 2, many. So many. Okay, so we learn many things at home. Next, fourth one, Pinky is looked after by dash. So here A father, B mother, C grandparents. So Pinky is looked after by her grandparents. Okay, so tick the correct answer. We have already discussed in our previous session. So these things you have to write in your EVS notes. Okay, next fill in the blanks. First one, my mother's son is my dash. So my mother's son is my brother. Okay, so here you have to write brother. Next, second question, my father's mother is my dash. So my father's mother is my grandmother. So you have to write grandmother. Next we'll see exercise part C, very short answer questions. So first one, which is our first school? So answer you have to write, our family is our first school, isn't it? So which is our first school? Our family is our first school. Okay. Next, second question. Who cooks tasty food for the family? So here answer what we have to write. Pinky's mother cooks tasty food for the family. Okay. Next, third one. Whom do you resemble in your family? So answer here you have to write. I resemble my dash. Here you have to write according to your resemblance. Okay. Whomever you resemble, that you have to write here. Okay. If you resemble your father, means you have to write father. Mother means mother. Okay. Like that you have to write. Next, exercise part D, short answer questions. So first one, why is our family called our first school? So answer, our family is called our first school because we learn many things at home. Okay, our family is our first school. Why? Because we learn many things at home before we come to school, isn't it? Much before we start learning things at school. Okay. Next, second question. Write two things we learn in our family. So answer, two things we learn in a family are, first one, good manners, habits and customs. Second point, to love and respect each other. Okay. Next, third question, what is a nuclear family? So answer, nuclear family is the one which includes mother, father and children. Okay. So nuclear family is the one which includes mother, father and children. And nuclear family is also called as small family, isn't it? Next, fourth question. What is a single parent family? So answer you have to write. Single parent family is the one in which children are looked after by either mother or father. Okay. Next, fifth question. In what ways do you help at home? So answer, I help my mother at home by laying the table for lunch or dinner. Second point, by keeping my room clean. Third point, by watering the plants. Next, sixth question, it is a value corner question that you have to copy from your textbook. Okay, and answer you have to write like, yes, I also try to avoid fights with my brother or sister. Next, long answer questions. So exercise part E, that is long answer questions. So first one, write 3 ways in which you can help at home. So answer, 3 ways in which we can help at home. First one, by helping our mother in cooking food. Second one, by buying milk, bread and eggs from the nearby shop. Next, third point, by keeping our rooms clean. Next, second question, what keeps us happy and together as a family? So answer, sharing each other's work, problems and happiness and showing love and care for each other keeps us happy and together as a family. Okay. Now let us revise the chapter Food We Eat. Part A. Tick the correct answers. These things we have already discussed, isn't it? So once again we'll repeat. Everybody eats dash foods. Okay. Option A same, option B different, option C no. So here what you have to write? Everybody eats different food, isn't it? So we have to tick here for different. Yes. Next, second one, which of the following is an underground stem? Option A rice, option B ginger, option C maize. So option B ginger, isn't it? Yes, tick. Next, question number 3. Which of the following protects us from diseases? Yes. Option A vitamins, option B minerals, option C both vitamins and minerals. So which one we have to take? Yes, both vitamins and minerals. Okay. So next, fourth question. We eat roots of option A rice, option B spinach, option C carrot. Yes. Which one? Yes, carrot. So tick. Next, fifth one. Thepla is a famous dish of option A Kerala, option B Gujarat, option C Punjab. So thepla is a famous dish of Gujarat, isn't it? Tick. Next, sixth one. We eat leaves of option A papaya, option B cabbage, option C wheat. So what we have to write here? Yes, tick cabbage. Next exercise part B. Write T for true and F for false statements. So first one, we eat seeds of plants like wheat and rice. Yes, so this statement is true, isn't it? Because wheat and rice are seeds of plants. Next, second one, butter is rich in carbohydrate. So this statement is false. Why? Because butter is rich in fat, isn't it? Not carbohydrate. Next, third one, carrot is a root. Yes, this statement is true. So you have to write T here. Next, fourth one, we need a balanced diet to stay healthy. Yes, this statement is true, isn't it? We need a balanced diet to stay healthy. So we have to write T here. Next, fifth one, different people have different food habits. Yes, yes, different people have different food habits, isn't it? So this statement is true. So you have to write T here. Next, exercise part D. Yes, very short answer question. First one, name a food grain. Answer, wheat, isn't it? Food grain, anything you can write, rice, wheat, anything. So here I have given wheat. Next, second question, which are the main sources of food? Yes, the main sources of food are plants and animals. Okay. Next, third one. Which rice product do you like the most? So answer, I have written here, I like pulao the most. So you can write any of your choice. Okay. Next, fourth question. Name the favorite dish of your brother or sister. So answer, the favorite dish of my brother is chole bhature. Okay. So I have given just an example here. You can write your choice. Next, exercise part E, short answer questions. First one, define nutrients. So what we have to write? So here answer is, nutrients are substances present in food that helps us to grow, get energy to work and play and to be healthy. Okay. Next, second one, who are vegetarians? So answer here, what we have to write? People who eat only plants or plant products are called vegetarians. Okay. Next, third one, who are non-vegetarians? So answer, people who eat both plants and animals are called non-vegetarians. Okay. Next, exercise part F, long answer questions. First one, why do we need food? Yes. So why do we need food? So answer, what we have to write here? We need food because option A, it gives us energy to work and play. Then B, it helps us to grow. And C, it helps us to stay healthy by protecting against diseases. Okay. So why do we need food? It gives us energy to work and play. It helps us to grow and it helps us to stay healthy by protecting against diseases. Okay. Then second question, describe the journey of food. Here answer, the farmer grows food grains, isn't it? Farmer grows food grains. Then he sells it to the wholesaler. Then the wholesaler sells the food grains to the shopkeeper. Okay. Then what we do? We buy food items from the shopkeeper. This is the journey of food. Okay. Got it? The farmer grows food grains. He sells it to the wholesaler. Then the wholesaler sells the food grains to the shopkeeper. We buy food items from the shopkeeper. This is the journey of food. Now, keeping healthy and fit. Okay, keeping healthy and fit lesson ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, in the last session we have already discussed the tick the correct answers, fill in the blanks, isn't it? So now let us discuss very short answer questions. First one, how many times we should brush our teeth? So how many times we should brush our teeth? Yes, so answer we have to write, we must brush our teeth twice daily. Yes. Second question, which type of diet protects us from diseases? So which type of diet protects us from diseases? Yes, balanced diet protects us from diseases. Right? Next, short answer questions. First one, write 2 rules we should follow for good health and hygiene. So answer we have to write. The two rules we should follow for good health and hygiene are keeping clean and exercise daily, right? Then second question, write two ways to keep ourselves clean. So answer here we have to write the two ways to keep ourselves clean are brushing our teeth twice daily and washing our hands before and after every meal. Yes. Now long answer questions. First one, describe four good food habits. So here answer you have to write. The four good food habits are we must have our meals at fixed time every day. Then we must always eat a balanced diet. And third one, we must drink plenty of water every day. And last one, we should not eat too much of junk foods. Okay. So these are the four good food habits, right? Next question is the value corner question. So open page number 34 in your EVS textbook. In that the value corner question here, Rohan goes for a morning walk with his grandfather. He talks to his grandfather about so many things while walking. What should we learn from Rohan? So, what should we learn from Rohan? So, answer here you have to write we should go for a morning walk daily and we should spend time with our grandparents so that they do not feel lonely, right? So in this session, we have discussed about the question paper pattern, exam portion, and we have covered revision of learning in a family, food we eat, and keeping healthy and fit. The remaining lessons we'll discuss in our next session. Okay, thank you.